how to get verified on Instagram 2022. Firstly, I need to mention that there is no option to get verified. For example, if you're new on your Instagram, or simply you're not famous, you're not celebrity, you don't have any signs for that you are so viable and getting valuable person which is on Instagram, because there are so many sites and usernames which are related on, for example, celebrates, and which are not the right options. For example, when you get right here into your profile selection and you go on the three dots on your right upper side, go for settings on the first selection, and right from there, as you can see, you have all these selections, and without wasting any time, you can simply go on the search box on your upper side and type for request verification. Just go tap on that selection, and when you get right there, guys, here you're gonna be available to apply for Instagram verification. Right here it says that verified accounts have blue tick next to their names to show that Instagram has confirmed the real presence of the public figures, celebrates, and brands they represent. The first step it is to confirm your authenticity, and the second step it is also to get your notability. Then the third one to take up links which are related on your social media, for example, and all that stuff. And then you'll need to go submit. When you're ready with all these sites, you need to fulfill all these informations and then go submit. And it says right down, we'll only use the information you submit to determine if your account meets our verification criteria.